Responsive web design ensures that our website look great and work well on any device, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or a desktop. Hey there tech buddies, welcome back to IMS Coding. So in today's video, we are going to learn about responsive web design using media queries. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, let's see an example of responsive design. So here I have opened Flipkart website. Now let's inspect here. Right click and then click on inspect. Switch the device to mobile. And here you can see I have selected iPhone 12 Pro. And now you can see the Flipkart's website looks good on mobile phone, which means this website is responsive. Now let's switch the device again, and here when I am changing the size, so it will automatically adjusting the layout. It's because of responsive design. Now let's understand media queries in Visual Studio Code. So here I have opened Visual Studio Code. Let's start by creating a new file named media queries.html. Perfect. Let's zoom it and let's get a basic HTML syntax using a doc keyword. So type doc and then hit enter. Now here inside body, I am going to create a parent container and I am adding a class container. Inside it, let's create some more child divs. So here I want to create 4 child divs. Perfect. Now let's start styling it. So after head tag, I'm adding style tag, and then first let's view this. So right click here and then click on show preview option. Now in the right side you can see this page. So let's start styling it. First I am targeting the container class. Let's set the width to 100 VW, then the height 100 VH. After that, setting the background color to red. Now let's remove the extra space. So here I'm adding a asterisk symbol and inside it setting the margin, then the padding to 0. Okay, now let's style the child class. So I'm targeting child class and then inside it let's set the width to 10 VW. Also I'm setting the height to 10 VH. Adding a background color of green and let's add some margin of around 20 pixels. Now I'm making the display flex of our container. Okay, now let's create a media query. So first let's start by typing add symbol and then type media only screen, and I'm adding a condition here. So inside parenthesis adding max width and setting it to 600 pixel. After that inside curly braces, after that let's target the container class and then inside it setting the background color to blue. Okay, let's change the max width to 400 pixel. Now you can see when I decrease the size of this page, it's changing the background color to blue. So when it's reached to 400 pixel, then it will automatically changes its color to blue. It's because of this media query that we have added here. We can also add more styles here. Let's add background color here. And I want to make the background color of our child div to black. So when I decrease the size of this page, so it's applying the style according to the size of our page. So here, like this media query, we can define multiple styles for different devices. Now let's change the condition to orientation. So I'm adding orientation and then setting it to landscape. So now let's increase the size of our page. So you can see, so when it becomes landscape, then it will automatically changes the style. Now let's change it to portrait, and when I decrease the size, so it's changing the style. So that's how media queries works. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want the source code, then please do check out in the description. This video is a part of our HTML and CSS Beginners Guide course, so please do check out our playlist. Like this video, share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding, everyone.